Advanced vocabulary. 3 confusing words. Acute, chronic and astute. Acute means very serious or severe. Chronic is used to refer to an illness or problem that is severe and also lasting for a long time and difficult to cure or solve. Astute. Clever and able to judge a situation quickly and take advantage of it. This poor lady has a severe migraine, or maybe a severe problem. This man is an astute businessman. He invested a lot of money wisely. These poor people are suffering a chronic water shortage. No rain for a long time. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And for one-to-one personalised Zoom lessons, you can find me at www.englishwithsteveuk.com. Hope to see you there.